them. At them women.
I them.
You're too hungry, girl.
At them same man.
Big me.
Is that the life? Hello,
Big me,
life.
you're too
I
hungry.
would have to call my
I'm hungry every day upon
Auntie
people.
Jay, I
You're
would
not
have.
got no fed up. You're too
I wish I had my
hungry,
niece on there for that.
Hungry,
Yeah, but me
motherfucker.
know not about them on the
Hungry,
Instagram name.
motherfucker.
So they know
Play it
name,
again.
so. Everybody
Play it
change up
again.
name, ma'am. So if you don't know, so them, you're not going to know it, so.
Play it again.
I mean, the one who has so
Christian
serious
music,
to say
that's
about.
That play it again.
Them niggas don't even know.
Hungry.
I know, very protective. BJ, remember when you buy the chicken? You man, the 2 pieces of chicken I'm a cuss I want to get. Oh God, me don't want the 2 pieces, me don't want 2 pieces now. But just the fact say, somebody get 2 and me one get 1. Me raise head and some forget 2 too. All if me don't want it, it's my mother. But that was just, then back then.
Oh, this, honey.
See upon life.
You're tough, you say. Oh, God, you're going to always had the rain down there. Is it? We don't get any air from yesterday.
Oh, look how the sky pretty.
But you know that this...
The sun, what I need to do is
Get it? Yeah, the
do it
neighbor.
time, give it, yeah, miss the little
Yesterday
view.
and today we
But that's
know.
something they do it. The sunset. Another kind of pure, lovely sunset. What's your call you for? Church is up alive. Kadeen, you saw your enough?
She said, so that come back, my life. As a baby's with it, you and she. All right, honey, bless you.
Is that my phone you did call, girl? I have to share my mother. I don't have to. Have to, that's a big, strong word. No, I don't have to. If I choose to, it's my mommy. Okay? Yeah, sharing is caring, but sometimes you have to be selfish and bad man. It's not all the while you can share sharing. Do it easy, baby. Let's say I'm good. I think of Jessica and Anna Jessica. I think I'm all on that. Football kicking in the scheme, fam. All of us have to be careful. Just be careful of life in general. All when you are asleep, you have to be careful. Pray and tell God for guide and protect you. Yes, you be careful and me be careful. All of us have to be careful about location. I'm gonna cook some curry chicken and white rice and go, man. Fucking annoying. You know, location and send the. Ah, do it! Get out the window! Do it! Oh, God! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, my finger mash up, do it! Oh, mama! Oh, God! Oh!
Jesus Christ. I wish I
I don't know, mommy, but the two of them.
well, and
I don't
let me
know,
see.
ma'am. Wait, mommy, wait. Ah, wait.
Oh, the window.
Yes.
Yeah, grab a parachute.
Okay.
Get some ice water or something.
To me already, you know? Oh, go on, mama.
Ah,
What's crazy?
I don't even know that, Anya. Ah,
How much go on with?
ah.
Too cool.
Yeah, the dark face, you know.
It's even a fucking trouble, man.
Too cool.
It's an hour about fucking location. What is to be must be. And I don't know, so my finger gonna mash up. Allow me, man. Allow me. Back in at the window. My finger will wind up in the window, you know. Up to the top, you know. It's the way. It's the way I scream and go about making a mash up. Jesus. Even not paying no mind. Even your mom not agree. Oh, true me there, yeah. Okay. Say, put it in that cold water. The way I scream and go up by that while ago. All the wind are frightened. I don't know you never hear me, Yvette. All the wind are frightened the way I scream and go on by the while ago. It's all I look for Queenie. The Queen is here. Hello. Hey. Hello, kids. Hello, boys. Oh, the children are the future. Come, give me a hug, too. Where are you shy for? Where are you shy for like this? Are you bring the problem to me? Are you bring the problem?
Yeah.
Oh,
Me can bring the doom.
and then nice. I'm gonna confront them.
Queenie of the city.
Where's another? Queen of the city.
Oh, even look nice, huh? How much of them pants they have? Them fit you. You know, you love short pants. Got this look good. Yeah, look really nice, girl. Yeah.
She just come from England.
Yeah, man.
You never hear me scream out for
See
you.
how you doing? One ball in your water come on eye. I
Mama, I want to come on my eye, Mom. Be just, me not even, it's a bun me, yes? Fucking hell. I got Jessica. Life is pain. Hello.
So when you look coming out,
What's up, darling? You look good? I lie. Hot girl.
what do you feel? Can you imagine? What do you feel?
Onion. Yeah, you know I'm bad. Boy, I beat up my face nice.
You look sweetie.
I lie.
You look so nice.
Thank you. And that's why I mash up my finger because I look good. Mom, you want me to drop you around because Yvette not agree. Yvette come out now, so. What's the score now?
Alright, as soon as you come and give me a ding, let me know you're in the place. What's that cut off?
I want to have a pan ear saw done. I don't see so no need for camera go doctor. Nice girl, Queenie. I'm going to do interview today, that's why I'm so bush.
Are you finished with the story or everything?
Just me.
Listen, but now like, I show off like the figure that bun me.
So I was saying, as soon as I get to Jamaica,
Tell you. Crazy. Oh, my G. Oh. I'm doing a wind up the car window. A while ago, I come out of the car like my hat. I'm going to tell them this girl.
But only look at somebody say radam.
I still remember saying live with them on the way, I scream to backside. Oh God, I don't remember saying, Shambo! I don't know why I say I'm a bush. Let me show no. I don't know some. But my clot, mosquito. Oh, God, them think that. Come here, Shambo, please.
Yeah. Paparazzi. Yeah. Show them how it go. Queen wave. Yeah. Oh God. Clean like God heart. Watch it. What them feel like? Yeah. Show them the queen. Yeah. Same way, sir. Oh, God.
For that squeeze up glass, something there? Do we?
Yeah, man. You know there for the
Mosquito there too.
You know it's
Do we? What you gonna pay me to mash my fingers up? Hmm? Are we friends though, do we?
No.
We're not friends. No. That's how I mash my finger. Say that at purpose. What are you lying for?
Yeah, it took it I laugh in my mind say ha 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 ha.
Me not believe. Me not believe that. Why you that come right here, sir? As I reach right here, sir. Carry on with that, baby. Jesus Christ, God. You know, so I only make my finger squeeze out. You know, so it's the way you know, so if you do it purposely, as somebody understand to do it. And me tell you now, the way it's alive, I want dangerous something, you know. Because all if you know some people know, they shame, you know. See, when me see something back here with my finger, me I say, wait, this really happened to me. I talk to myself, me know all the time, you know. Because me I say, bubble cloud, when the weed I carry my finger with me, I want to watch what the live what I say. I don't remember a thing what I say. All I know, I scream out pussy cloud. Crazy.
Come on.
Bless up, bless up, bless up. All I know, I scream out the pussy cloud pain. It's even never make so much noise. Fuck. You get me? Mom! I want my finger on a black and blue. You got zippers in here. What's going on for me, though? Please. Please. Crazy. Trying to zippers to me.